Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing the causes of hiccups and simple home remedies to get rid of them. Hiccups are a common and annoying problem that can occur to anyone at any time. But don't worry, I'm here to help you get rid of them quickly and effectively. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel, and be sure to hit the bell button to receive notifications of upcoming videos. Cause of hiccups. Hiccups occur when the diaphragm, the muscle responsible for breathing, contracts involuntarily. This can be caused by a variety of reasons, such as eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even stress and anxiety. Now I am sharing some remedies that you can use to get rid of hiccups. Hold your breath. One of the simplest ways to get rid of hiccups is to hold your breath for as long as you can. This helps to reset the diaphragm and stop the hiccup reflex. Drinking water. Drinking a glass of water quickly can also help get rid of hiccups. The change in pressure in the esophagus can help to reset the diaphragm. Eating sugar. Another simple remedy is to eat a teaspoon of sugar. This helps to stimulate the nerves in the mouth, which can reset the diaphragm and stop the hiccup reflex. Breathing exercises. Taking slow, deep breaths can also help get rid of hiccups. This helps to calm the diaphragm and stop the involuntary contractions. Distraction. Finally, distracting your mind can also help get rid of hiccups. Try singing a song, counting backwards, or even swallowing hard several times. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope these remedies help you get rid of your hiccups quickly and effectively. If you have any other home remedies, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.